Fellow teachers. I just wanted to show you what Google Classroom looks like from the student side. So I've got my Google Classroom pulled up in one of my Fort Hays classes, just so you can kind of see what it looks like. So whenever the teacher sent me the link that I had to accept and join the classroom, this is what it takes you to. So you'll see over here on the left-hand side, whoops, wrong button. That on the left hand side here is your scroll where you can find everything you want to find. All of the assignments are here. This is where you post your assignments. So for example, the introduction videos. Okay, you'll see if you scroll through here, there's introduction videos from everybody. You're also able to comment on people's assignments that they've posted. Those go there. So here was an assignment that we used for this classroom. We specifically use Google to save all of our stuff. So you'll see once you save something in Google, you can copy the link and share it. When you share it, the actual paper actually shows up here. And again, you're actually able to add comments, especially, which is good for whenever some teachers want you to comment on other people's work. So that's all in there. And then really that's kind of it on that side. So for Google, this is my Google Drive. And I have a folder set up specifically for this Fort Hays class. So all of my assignments for this class are saved here, and I'm able to pull those up and look at them. And then if you want, we've got some already pulled up. But you're able to share it, right? If you hit share, you can copy the link and then you just paste that to the Google Classroom, which makes it really convenient to be able to do those things. So that's just a glimpse at what it looks like from the student side. That way you know what your students will be seeing. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.